Hey there! Welcome to the first part of my Reveal Shocking Truths for Beginners series. This video will reveal some secrets about the make money online aspect of affiliate marketing that most new marketers don't know. My name is Serge, and this information is purely based on my personal experience only. However, I want to share my experience so that you can become more aware about some of the secrets in affiliate marketing. Now, as a quick disclaimer and a word of caution here, if you're ready, go ahead and put on your reading glasses and be prepared to be very shocked. So I will reveal 3 critical things in this video that you as a beginner marketer don't know, and you will not hear anyone else talk about these. This moment might be the first time you will listen to what I'm about to say next, but keep in mind that you will encounter this as an affiliate marketer sooner or later. So, the very first secret that you will encounter as an affiliate marketer is that every day, almost everyone, almost every guru that you listen to is lying to you, and they know it. Sometimes they tell you to do something or buy something that they don't use or implement themselves. Likely, they are not telling you some of the most important things to know so you can implement them to become successful as an affiliate marketer. It's sad, but it's true. To run a successful affiliate marketing business, or any business whatsoever, you need to know some fundamental core business principles. Because without them, you're planning to fail, and that's not what you want, am I right? So to combat this, it will be best to find someone who will be transparent with you and show you both the good and the bad of affiliate marketing. But unfortunately, I had to learn the hard way myself to know who was lying to me and who was honest. So my advice is always be very cautious of who you're following and listening to. So the second important secret that you encounter if you haven't experienced this already, and I'm going to be very direct on this one, is that most products on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo are total garbage. If you think that you're going to make $1,000 per day buying a one-time cheap junk for $9.99, $47, or $197.95, then the joke's on you. A significant percentage of these tools, apps, and softwares that you see listed on these online marketplaces are useless. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And many times, even though they have a no question asked money back guarantee claim, it's not always honored, and you don't get the response that you were hoping for. So be smart about the product that you're buying and who you're buying the product from, okay? The third and last secret that no one will tell you, and you may keep chasing this one for years and years to come, is that there is no such thing as get rich quick in affiliate marketing. And I know already what you're about to say, but Serge, I saw this girl or this guy who claimed they made $1 million in a few weeks. Well, let me say if that was true, there's no way they have been an affiliate marketer for just a few weeks or a few months. There's no way. What you're probably seeing is the results of years and years of hard work and a combination of overtime progress. But let me say this once more. No one, and I mean no one in reality, starts a business and hits it out of the park without years or even decades of trying over and over and over again until they succeed. And that same logic also applies to making money online as well. And I could name plenty of affiliate marketers today that I've researched that people think got their claim to success overnight, but it took them a very long time to make 5, 6, and 7 figures per month. Affiliate marketing is not casino, alright? But people act if that's what it is. So starting now, if you become a marketer, accept the reality that for you to get out and quit your job, fire your boss, have an extra income, make passive income, work from home or remotely, you're going to have to take it very seriously and treat it like a real business and put a lot of time into it day by day. If you keep chasing the get rich quick idea as an affiliate marketer, then you are wasting your time. If you made it this far in this video, then congratulations. I know everything I've said so far sounded very shocking and bitter, but I have a bonus for you. So, if you choose this path and you are sure you can handle it, and you are willing to put in the effort, then the best way you will succeed, and you will succeed much faster than some full-time affiliate marketers, is to follow a simple and fully transparent, proven method, and that's what I did. Going at this on your own is the long way to get results. But the best thing is you don't have to. Take many of the success stories from big business moguls, athletes, and entrepreneurs. They always had a partner, whether it's a coach, a mentor, a spouse, a friend, or even a team. Success leaves clues, and all you need to do is to follow those clues and do whatever successful marketers do when they first started. And over time, you will achieve your greatest reward. So now that you heard this important stuff, do you know what to do next? Do you know where to go from here and start taking some serious action? Well, if you're trying to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer, then I have some honest and practical free training in the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed and it shows you exactly how to build a real evergreen business online, which brings in traffic, leads, and sales. So go ahead and click the link in the description because it is 100% free and 100% awesome. Also, check out my next video in the series. I'll put a link to that and the playlist in the description as well. If you have anything specific you want to ask me, leave a comment below and ask me. I'll promise to read and respond to your statement within 24 hours. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe and ring the bell, as I have many free tutorials and make money online tips to share with you in the future. Check out these videos next so you know where not to waste your hard-earned money. Again, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the following video. Take care.